So today's problem is the Maxfan was not raising up enough because the little regulator that connects to this piece, it's cracked in half. You can see it right there. So what I did is, see this little piece right there? I bent it upwards, and I did the same thing on the other side with my Leatherman. So it's bent up. So that enables the lid to raise up all the way like this. Okay, so now what I did is, see this little metal piece? That little metal piece right there, I just bent it towards the front of the vehicle. Should better angle to show that bend. And what that does, there you go. What that does is it keeps the lid all the way up. And I also, this metal rod, I removed it and I rotated it towards the front of the vehicle. I'm not sure if that's necessary because it's really the spring that does the job. But there you go. That's how to fix a Maxfan with a broken regulator when the regulators are backordered.